ONYX NX-P is a compact motorized playback wing for ONYX NX1, NX3 and NX PC wing. Built for touring, venues, rental environments and portable rigs, it expands playback access with tactile, hands-on control. The NX-P replicates the full playback section of the ONYX NX1 console in a portable standalone surface. It features 10 motorized playback faders, 10 playback and function keys, and a dedicated master go section for direct cue and playback control. The motorized faders provide synchronized playback feedback across pages and show states, giving operators a clear visual indication and more confident live operation during busked shows and playback-heavy productions. Multifunction keys allow access to playback, shortcuts, or utility functions, while support for multiple NX-P wings gives users the flexibility to scale playback capacity as productions grow. The included ONYX license unlocks 4 universes with MIDI, OSC, and timecode support for expanded ONYX PC workflows. 4 integrated DMX/RDM ports provide direct connectivity to lighting systems without relying on external nodes or interfaces. A magnetic alignment system allows quick integration with the NX1 console, doubling your fader count. Pair it with the NX-K programming keypad, and you have a fully functional programming surface. Remove the NX-K, and it goes back to playback mode, letting anyone run your show without the risk of easily changing programming. Combining tactile control, scalable expansion, and integrated DMX connectivity, the ONYX NX-P delivers the perfect playback solution.